Today I have another nature journaling practice for us to release the inner critic, let go of judgment, and get connected to our heart out of our head and into the present moment. So let me show you. I'm excited to share this practice with you. Today's practice is drawing what we hear. So if your sense of hearing is available to you, you can make marks that are drawing what you hear. And I hope you can hear a little bit of what I can hear. So I'm hearing like bird song, kind of twittering, and it's gone away. And I'm hearing, oh, there it is again. Doo-doo-doo. And there's no way that you can do this wrong. This is just how you feel. It's a nice way to get grounded and centered. There's a little bit of a breeze, a wind in the trees. Oh. I hear bird song. I hear the wind in the trees. I hear some people's voices. I hear a car. Some low rumbles of cars. Mostly I'm hearing the birds. That's a robin, by the way. You can use the Merlin app to know what bird you're hearing. It's like traffic. I hear traffic. I heard a person's voice. I heard like a mechanical noise. And I could go on. I'm really enjoying this. I invite you to try it. In just a couple of minutes, you can get grounded and centered, connected to your heart and out of your head, and all the while releasing judgment, the inner critic. This is your interpretation. There's no way to do this wrong.